Okay, so now we're talking about lavender.
Yep.
And everything lavender, cool things, makeups that are cool that are lavender, different looks that you see, that you find for this, like pretty much for this entire spring and up to this point and a little bit after February, so after the whole rose phase. I was looking at different types of purple things, different types of lavender, different types of eyeshadows. And one thing I had noticed was that when it came down to getting eyeshadows in a specific color, it's so rare to find like an eyeshadow palette that's all purples or that's all greens. Usually they have a bunch of different colors. And so if you happen to be a person and you're trying to focus on a specific color and you just so happen to see that you see a palette that has only that specific color, it's definitely worth it to go ahead and get it because these are not easy to find.
Yeah, for sure. My favorite brands are usually for eyeshadow. I have the Huda Beauty, and those are really nice and they're very diverse, like in the sense that they have like, you know, their mattes, their shimmers, all in one like compact, and that's what I really like. I also like the Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Like he has a really good line for eyeshadows. And yeah, like I believe the same. Like it's really hard to find things that have like multiple of the same like color. It's all about knowing your brands also, and like knowing like which ones do that and don't, you know, because a lot of them just sell like, oh, this is like the neutral, so it's like all neutral colors instead of being like, you know, all purple, like different shades of purple, you know.
Exactly. And then you end up investing in a palette, and some of these colors you don't even like, you don't even want to use. So it's kind of like, that's why one of my biggest regrets during the season of hunting down for everything purple is I wish when I saw this amethyst palette, I'm going to show you guys a picture of this amethyst palette. Sucks that I didn't get it.
Where was it from?
This was in a random beauty supply store. Elegant, it's a big huge chain here in Florida, and I mean they had it, and I mean that was so, I mean I've looked in Targets, I've looked in Walmart's, can't find it.
Damn.
I might have to order it on.
Yeah.
Yep. So anyways, I wanted to show you guys some cool little lavender drugstore stuff that I found. Can you tell us what is the differences between drugstore and
professional
high-end stuff? Professional.
Yeah. Honestly, like there's some products like I would say that I still use drugstore is like any mascaras or like eyeliners. I honestly like I still use drugstore. Like I don't need like Makeup Forever or you know a YSL eyeliner. Like my NYX one will do. Like but yeah. The difference, like honestly, it's just formula and quality. Like I would say, like I think in investing in a good like base is better to get like high end for like a good base that will like last you the whole day and like not look cakey and you know continuously like look good on your skin. Because sometimes I used to have the problem where the first times I would wear the foundation it looked really good, but after like a month of using it, like it made my skin look so bad, so texture, like it just wasn't the same. And the second that I switched to like a more high end, I wear the Chanel the beige, and that one it's I think it retails for about $60 something, maybe a little more. I'm not exactly sure how much it was, but ever since I did switch them, like my base has been so much better in my opinion. Like it just looks so good like every single time I use it, and it's been like over a year now that I keep on buying it. But my concealer, I use a drugstore one. I use a Milani one. It's Milani Conceal and Perfect. And I've been loyal to that one since my junior year. Yeah, Milani. I've been loyal to that same tube, the same shade of concealer since my junior year. So I was like 16, 17. And I'm 20 now, so.
Wow.
Yeah, it's been a while. And I still use it, even after going to like school and using the professional stuff. Like, that's still what I use. But I think for like base and like even sometimes like the cream contours, like it's better to have higher quality so it could last longer in my opinion.
Another thing that I think usually it is definitely worth it to get high end is lip colors, especially those stains, the ones that you put on that you want to look matte.
Yeah. The Dior ones are really nice. Like their lip products. Yeah, they have a lot. In my opinion too, like almost every time I like the Fenty lip glosses. Like they're really good, Rihanna's brand. And all those that are kind of similar, like Rare Beauty and stuff, like I like those, and they are a little bit pricier, but it's you're honestly paying for good quality stuff. That's how I see it. Like it's good quality stuff that it'll last you and it's worth it, rather than like lip glosses that I've used from like LA Color or like I think even like Revlon or Makeup Revolution. I think they would like my lips would chafe almost, like the product build up after like a few hours. Like it would make my lip like crust, and I hated that feeling. And then there's other ones that like stay smooth the whole time, you know.
Ooh, I see. Alright, so we're gonna talk about some of the cool lavender stuff I found at Target. Let's start with and it's not just Target, it's a whole bunch of different drugstores. But look at this, guys. Wet n Wild. That's kind of like a lilac color.
Yeah, this one's so cute.
For those of you who's looking for more of a pinky type of color, look at that. This is like a lavender, true to lavender, the flower itself.
That one's really cute.
Yeah. Then we got this, which this one is kind of more like lilac, like a kind of like a champagne-y type of purple color. All Wet n Wild.
Those, I love Wet n Wild. When I get my drugstore.
Wet n Wild definitely, you know, their lip gloss game is sick.
Yeah,
it's really good. Oh, I wanted to show you guys. This is a blush palette. So pretty. Okay, I got this at Target, and I was like super impressed. Look at those colors. Nice.
You want me to swatch them?
Yeah.
They're very pigmented.
Let me show them. See, and then every single one of them has a different kind of glitter into it. Like, you know, this one has a gold glitter. This one has gold glitter. This one has like a greenish light yellow glitter. And this one right here has a blue glitter. So, and I thought that these were really good for doing like a lavender type of blush, you know, that would enhance it, you know.
I have this eyeshadow palette. It's the Huda Beauty one. And right here they have the purple, and it's like so pretty. I use it like tapping, so it can be like that sparkly.
Oh wow, yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, but you can also apply like more harsher.
Yeah, let's show them that.
This one right here.
Wow. Nice.
And it's gonna look really nice on the eyelid. And yeah, the rest are also purple. And I also have this one from my Jaclyn Hill palette. This purple. It's like a deep. That purple right there.
Wow. Yeah, that's definitely true purple. I also like that other one I saw. As far as drugstore, I found this one by Revolution. This one's actually purple too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. You would never think that, but yeah.
Wow. There's this one. This one back here.
That one there, yeah.
Yeah. And then this one in this little corner.
Yeah. Yeah, so this was definitely one of the best palettes as far as drugstore concerned for for getting different types of purple. I really love this one here. I really like this one here. Surprisingly enough, this is purple, and this is obviously is good for doing an ombre when you're trying to go outward more dark.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was really cute. Some cool honorable mentions. I found this.
So this is a purple, like a lavender liquid eyeliner, like a felt tip liner.
How cool is
and
that?
It's waterproof.
Yeah, I mean, how cool is that? I mean, who thinks to get purple eyeliner? And liquid at that, so it's like, it's great for like a pop of color. And for a lot of people who may have darker skin, like you need like the liquids in order to truly show like that cat eye look. And this is a purple mascara. Super pretty. I'm kind of wearing it, so you guys can kind of see. I think that's really pretty.
Oh wait, that's so cute. I love that. I love it.
Okay. Oh, and also some interesting ones I have found at the beauty supply stores. You know, just random beauty supply stores. Okay. This brand of lipstick. I mean, you can find this. It's called IZMC New York, and this is a cream lipstick. This lipstick has been really pretty.
Do you have that one on?
No, this is a different color. I'll definitely show though. And then I have this one. Now this one is more pink than purple, but I thought to myself, like with the purple gloss over it, this will look super purple, and it's really good for people who have warm undertones.
Yeah, it will look good with this one maybe.
Right, exactly, like something like that with this little pinky. And also some that I have used for years. Now the lipstick I actually have on is from Wet n Wild. It's called Fuchsia with Blue Pearl. Okay, and it's this one here. I have loved this lipstick. I've obviously had it for a really long time, and it's gorgeous, stunning. And this is actually from Milani.
Oh yeah?
Also, yeah, this is one of their coolest purple pink glosses. And yeah, I mean, it was really, really nice. Or you know what, this may be Dark Radiance. I'll have to look it up. I'll put that up. But yeah, 3253. That's what the brand says. But yeah, that's one of my favorite glosses as far as purple. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Found this at the dollar store. It's kind of like a purple. Or is it like a raspberry?
Yeah, it's not like a berry.
Yeah, so, I mean, interestingly enough, at least here in Florida, our dollar stores have a lot of makeup. Cute. Nice.
Yeah, it's good.
So, yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, so that's some of the stuff that I got